In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your CashApp balance to your PayPal account. So there is actually no particular method to use to be able to transfer CashApp to PayPal. So first thing you need to do is to be able to transfer your CashApp balance to PayPal is to view your CashApp balance. Check your CashApp balance first. After checking your CashApp balance, you have to go ahead and cash out the money. When you cash out your cash app balance, you would be able to need to, on the balance screen, you will see options to add cash or cash out. When you add cash out, you need to log into your bank account or credit card. Then you cash it out on your bank account and credit card. And after cashing it out to a bank account or credit card, you log into PayPal. Then after that, you transfer the money. Then after transferring the money, request a cash app card. Then the bank account would request a cash app card and it would be redirected to your PayPal account, and you will be able to now transfer your cash app balance to your PayPal account. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Cash App to PayPal.